morning to you, wonderful boys and girls. Hello, parents and guardians. How are you today? I trust you are enjoying your stay at home and your lesson so far has been interesting. Okay, for today, we'll be looking at a fresh topic, and our topic is color. We will be talking about colors. Here we will define colors, identify some colors, identify some materials used in coloring, talk about color from plants and color from soil. Now, what are colors? What is a color? Yes, we see colors every day. We can even look at this and say, this is a red pen, this is a blue pen. Like, what do we mean by this color? We know we can identify colors now. Let's define color. Colors are special qualities which objects have or are given to make them beautiful. Colors are special qualities which objects have or are given to make them beautiful. Colors are special qualities which objects have or are given to make them beautiful. Lest I forget, color is spelled capital letter COLOURS. Again, COLOURS. Colors. I define colors again. Colors are special qualities which objects have or are given to make them beautiful. Now, materials used to color objects include paint, dye, crayon, on watercolors. We use paint to color buildings. We use dye to color clothing materials. We use crayons and watercolor to color objects on papers. Those are objects drawn by people. Now, example of colors are red, yellow, pink, purple, green, white, black, brown, maroon, gray, etc. We have so many colors. Now let's look at colors from plants. Colors from plants. Some leaves, flowers, roots, stems, and fruits contain some colors which are taken out as dyes. Dyes is spelled DYE for singular and DYES for plural, that is more than one. Dye singular, that is just one, and dyes for more than one, plural. We obtain dyes from plants through the processes of boiling, grinding, squeezing, and using solvents. Dyes are obtained through the processes of boiling, grinding, squeezing, or the use of solvents. Now, examples of colors gotten from plants and the plants that produces them include: number 1, red dye. Red dye is gotten from hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower produces red dye, and hibiscus flower produces red dye. An alamander flower produces yellow dye. An alamander flower produces yellow dye. A rose flower produces red dye. Kola nut produces reddish brown dye. Camwood tree produces red dye. Leaves from plants produces green dye, because naturally a leaf has green color. Morning glory flowers produce bluish pink dye. The dye gotten from morning glory flower, it's somewhat blue and somewhat pink. That's why we say bluish pink dye. Alright, that is all for colors gotten from plants. Now let's look at colors gotten from soil. And remember, when we talked about soil, we mentioned the colors that each soil possesses. That was under the properties of soil. Different soil types have different colors. Each soil type has its own specific color. A clay soil has a brown color. A clay soil is brownish in color. Some have colors ranging from beige, amber, deep yellow to maroon. Some clay soil has color ranges from beige, amber, deep yellow to maroon. Loamy soil has a silvery black color. A loamy soil has a silvery black color. That means it's shiny, and a silver color is always shiny. So for a loamy soil to have a silvery black color means it's always shiny. Number 3, humus soil is black in color. Humus soil is black in color. We said humus is the combination of dead plants and animals. So when they decay, they form soil particle, they form a soil component which is called humus, and it is usually black in color. Sandy soil has light silvery gray color. Sandy soil has light silvery clay color. The red earth, that's the mud, has a red color. As the name implies, red earth, it has red color. That is all for today. By next week, we will be talking about uses of color.